makes you sick?
Who's getting cold?
Lammy has a cold. Because Titi Landon gave me a cold.
Well, who did Mommy just call?
Santa said that's why he might cause him might get a cold.
Well, what's Santa? You put Carson where?
Don't say that. I'm poopy.
Tell him what's going to happen. Hey.
Yeah.
What's going to happen to him?
What? Soap in his mouth?
Soap in his mouth. Oh, you want some soap in your mouth?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Soap in my mouth. That tastes really good. No, it doesn't. Yeah,
Okay, well here, let me give you some.
No, I don't want to eat soap in his mouth. I want soap in my mouth.
You want soap?
Yeah.
All right.
No, I don't want this soap.
He wants soap. Open up.
No, it tastes good.
Then don't say what. Then I guess you need soap. Open up. All right.